Hey, happy Friday. Welcome to RestoCycle. Look who's about ready to go home. This is a 78 Suzuki GS1000E. We have enhanced it. That has Racetech internals in that fork. That's a Chris Redpath MotoGP Works stainless steel exhaust, big bore pistons, some super duper Mikuni carburetors. Got our oil pressure gauge tucked down there just while we're doing some break-in service. This was designed to be kind of what you would do back then, but we added some extra juice to it. So it's a pretty stock bike, but it's got some nice upgrades sort of tucked in here and there. We've got electronic ignition. We've got the Öhlins shocks at the rear. We've got a nicer chain and sprockets. We've redone all the brakes. These single pot Suzuki calipers actually don't suck nearly as much as the Honda single pot ones from that era did. As I said, electronic ignition, nicer wires, nicer coils. So, we're just trying to make it look like a stock bike, be a little more comfortable. Got that cool Giuliara seat. And in fact, it really hauls ass. This thing is one of the stonkinest ones we built. It's a relatively stock thing, but it really gets up and goes. Ah, that clackety clack. A little cold, so it's not going to idle just right. So yeah, we're down to little bits on this one. But it is a tasty motorcycle. I was out hooning around the neighborhood today, and it was great fun. We have, the usual minor little teething and breaking in and getting the front suspension to limber up and scuff in the tires and, look for leaks and all the stuff that, happens when you take a bike down to atomic level. But this one is really good. There's been hardly anything to tweak on, so it's going home real soon. So yeah, fun project. Nice way to end the week. Hope you guys have a great weekend.